Hello, dear folks. How you all? Namaskara. Last video, we have seen the basic introduction of SolidWorks software. In this video, we are focusing on how to customize the commands and manipulate according to needs. Hi, this is Avantika, expert in CAD/CAM software. As you have already got familiar with me, so without wasting time, let's start with our tutorial. We are going to learn how to customize Command Manager in SolidWorks because all the commands are not available in this SolidWorks Command Manager. We need to customize that. To do so, we have to go to the Tools menu, then choose to this Customize option. This file what I have displayed, I will click the Customize option. Customize dialog option will be displayed.
Next I will choose to this command tab. Now, in this tab we have two categories here. The first one is categories list and the second one is buttons. In categories list box different categories are listed here. Like currently the fly up toolbars are currently chosen here. And the button chosen for this category are listed here. In the buttons area now let us say that I need to attach a sketch
into the Sketch Command Manager, so I will choose the Sketch category. In the Categories list box, I see in the Buttons area, different buttons corresponding to the Sketch categories are displayed. I want to add Circular Sketch Command tool to the Sketch Command Manager. So what I will do is I will hold the left mouse button and drag it to customize this tool. And then I will track it and drop it here. You can see the Circular Sketch Pattern tool is added to the Sketch Command Manager. Now let us say that I want to add this Converting Editing tool to the Sketch Command Manager. I will follow the same procedure as in. To add him to the Sketch Command Manager, hold the left mouse button and drag it to the Sketch Command Manager, like this. Now for some reason, you don't want this Converting Editing tool in this Sketch Command Manager again. Simply do the drag and drop again, back to the Buttons area. You can see now it is gone from the Sketch Command Manager. You can also add these tools to the Quick Tool Manager. Suppose I want his line tool to the quick access command bar, so I will hold this command manager tool and then drop it to the drag this tool to the quick access toolbar. Like this I can see the line tool is available in the quick access toolbar. So after adding tools in the command managers and toolbars, I will click this OK button to exit from the customized toolbar. Now let us see how to add and remove the command manager from the display area. Currently this Sketch Command Manager is chosen. What I will do is I will click on this Sketch Command Manager or any of these Command Manager. I will click on this Command Manager and I will fly off this display. You can see the tick mark are shown here before the Command Manager that are currently displayed on the screen by the features Command Manager available because the tick mark is placed before it. Before this fly out, I want this Sheet Metal Command Manager to be displayed here. So what I will do is, I will simply click onto the Sheet Metal option. Here you can see Command Manager is being added to the displayed area. So let us say that I don't want this SolidWorks Command Manager to be displayed on the screen. What I will do, if I will click on this Command Manager, and I will uncheck SolidWorks Inspection option here. By clicking it,